relaxation. Hello, in this video we are going to install two softwares. The first one is Autopsy and the second one is HXD Hex Editor. So just visit the website autopsy.com and you can start downloading the Autopsy software. It is available for both Mac and Windows and even for Linux. For Hex Editor, you can just scroll a bit and click on the download button and you will be presented with a screen where you can select the language, and on the right hand side there is an option to download the file. In our case, we are going to download the English version. Once you download both the softwares, you will see them in the downloads folder. Autopsy has a setup file with .msi extension, whereas the Hex Editor comes in a zip file which we have to extract. Now it's time to install Autopsy and Hex Editor. Just head over to the downloads folder and you will find the setup file for Autopsy. The first thing that we are going to do is download Autopsy, because from next video we are going to use some used cases and we are going to perform some investigation on some cases. Just head over to the downloads and you will see the Autopsy MSI file, which is a Windows installer and Windows setup. You can just install it by double clicking on it. There is no special instructions required for installing Autopsy. It is a simple normal Windows installation which usually begins with next. Once you install the software, you can also install the add-ons which we'll be taking a look at in this video. There are certain add-ons which allow you to generate reports which can be added in Autopsy software. For Hex Editor, you just have to extract the file and then again open the exe file. Both installations are quite simple and you won't face any issues as long as you are installing correctly. Make sure that you are installing the software on the correct operating system, and there is a GitHub link where you can fix some problems, some common troubleshooting problems. For Hex Editor, you can again select the language in the download section, whereas for Autopsy, there is an option to select the language. Right now the installation path is default and we are not changing any installation path as we don't want to mess around with the installation. Once you install Autopsy, you will see that the installation takes approximately 2 minutes to install. You can install the latest version of Autopsy. Right now the version that we are working on is 4.22, which is the latest version while recording the video. Overall, the user interface of all the versions is almost same, and if you want to downgrade the version, you can do the same by going to the official website and you can download the version that we are working on right now. While recording the video, the version that is working is version 4.22 and you can install the latest version because with every update new features are introduced. The third-party module of Autopsy comes with report generation module and various other modules which is recommended for enterprise level investigations. For learning, if you avoid the third-party modules, that is also fine. And you will find the installation guide of third-party modules of Autopsy on their official website. Autopsy will usually copy the files and install it, and once you finish it, it's almost done. After the installation, you will be able to see a dog photo or image of the software and shortcut is on the desktop. You can open the Autopsy software and play around with it. In the next video, we are going to take a look at how you can use the software and how you can work around. Now it's time to install Hex Editor. Hex Editor is usually in a zip file which you have to first extract. After extraction, you just have to open the setup file inside the extracted folder. Hex Editor allows you to edit various types of files and specially check the hex values of various files. It is really important to have this editor because in the videos in the next series we are going to take a look at various tools that are used, and this is an important tool. By default, the installation location is in the C drive. If you want, you can change it, and the configuration is the default one. After you install it, you will be presented with a shortcut again to open the software. By the way, all the softwares that are used are available in the resources. If you are unable to find the download link, please do check the resources and also scan the QR code available on your screen to join our group for instant updates. We don't want to open the readme text, so we deselect the option and click on finish. Once the installation is complete, everything is fine. You can go to the Autopsy page to check third-party modules, and if we require, we'll be installing them if required. Third-party modules include modules that allow us to generate report and various other modules which are not required right now. So if you want, you can install them. Once you visit their official website, you will be presented with a screen and a GitHub repository where installations will be shown.